Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover ALEO. This is an airdrop confirmed and free for testers. This project has been raised 300 million from major venture capitalists, and we are going to cover how you can get this airdrop, a little bit about the project, and like always in my videos, the step-by-step on how you can do everything in order to participate in this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well I received a lot of comments on my last videos in order to talk about ALEO. It's been really hyped, they are putting money in marketing, so the crypto space has been flooded with information about this airdrop and about this project, so I decided to cover it. This is a genuine project, really interesting project. This is a zero knowledge with uncompressing speed and privacy, so it's a layer 1 privacy blockchain, so you can build your private applications using the Zksync on layer 1. And of course they tackle the scalability issue, the gas fees, the decentralization. They tackle the blockchain dilemma like always, and many other projects. So if you really want to know more about the technological aspects of the project, you just can go to the documentation that is from the website and you will find everything there. But ALEO enables private self-custody of your assets and interactions with others empowered by Zksync technology, and the investors of this project have raised more than 300 million from 16C, Slow Ventures, Tiger Global, the C Capital and others. And there's an official confirmation about the launch of the token, and also in the tokenomics you can find that a lot of the tokens are dedicated to supporting grants and community growth initiatives. Furthermore, upon their mainnet debut as a native layer 1 blockchain, a distinctive airdrop will be executed, exclusively tailored for testnet activities. So going to the step-by-step, directly step 1, you can follow them on the official Twitter, and step 2, follow them on Discord. You will need these two things in order to complete further tasks. Now the step 3 is that you need to download the ALEO wallet and add it to the Chrome. It's a Chrome extension, so you will need a new wallet. So always click on the link, add to Chrome, and you will need to add the extension, and of course save your key phrase, and always like any other wallet Chrome extension. After you add the extension, you need to click here. You can import an existing wallet if you have, or create a new wallet. Here you need to click to reveal the key phrase and save it, and then click on next. Then you need to put a password, accept the terms, and click on next. And after doing all that, you can see you are here and you are in ALEO testnet 3, and you don't have any ALEO tokens. So now let's go to step 4, testnet tokens. Go to this URL. So here you follow these steps. If you don't have MetaMask, you can install it and ALEO wallet. Then you can add the networks that you are going to use from your MetaMask. So down here you can go to ALEO testnet and click that for the Faucet. Right now, like you can see, this is under maintenance, but you can try it again after, or just go to the Discord and ask when it's going to be up and running again. But don't worry, let's go to the step-by-steps again. That is step 5. Now let's go to step 6, which you can bridge tokens from another testnet into the ALEO here. So from that link, I am connected with my MetaMask, I am connected with my ALEO wallet, but I will send Ethereum here from Warlick to ALEO. So you can send here Ethereum, click on send. So you move some funds here, wait for the confirmation of the message, and the transaction you can see in the history is already being sent, so you need to wait until that happens. Here in the wallet you also have a Faucet here, which if you click you can scan this QR code with your phone. You need to confirm and send the SMS and get your ALEO credits. And after you bridge, you go to step 7, which is the Zealy quest. Of course you know how this is. You need to complete quests for the social stuff in order to get points and participate on that. And then you have step 8, which is you will need to deploy a contract, and I will put a link of a step-by-step on how to do that AlphaFrog 13 wrote. It's a great guide on how to deploy a contract, and you have here the official link. This is a testnet pride, a node manuals from ALEO. This is the testnet 3 phase 2. So with two links you can go, for example, check the Alpha Frog link, and here you will be able to follow these steps and get everything for the deployment of a contract and everything that you need to do. So here you have the step-by-step on how to do all that. Follow the steps and you will be able to deploy the contract for ALEO. Step 9, let's go and set up a wallet here on the ALEO tools. So here you can see that says create a new account and generate. So click on generate. You will have a lot of information here that you will need to save correctly in order to be able to use the ALEO SDK. So click on generate and save all this information and don't share it with anyone. So that's step 9 and 10. You will click there and click on generate and get all the information for the ALEO SDK. So with all that information, you now can request the test tokens. So these test tokens, you need to send an SMS to this phone with your wallet address in this format. You will send in the SMS this, for example, send 50 credits to and the address of ALEO. From the previous step, when you click step 10 generate, you get your API key and you also get your address. So put there the address so you get those tokens, and then you follow the step 8 for deploying the contract and all that. This is not an easy airdrop, guys. You may need to download that wallet and then interact with the contract, and there are a couple of things that are more technical. If you have any doubts, the Discord is super helpful. You have the testnet 3 support there, the testnet 3 frequently asked questions, and of course here you need to use the ping messages. You will find everything here. For example, you can see that today they mentioned that the Discord Faucet will be available soon after a network reset. So for any doubts, you can go here to the Discord, and they are really helping people in all this support, and many people already did all these things, so you will be fine asking help there. If you want to do many other airdrops, go to my website cryptocurrencystate.net. I have hundreds of airdrops and like 80 that are active still. So you can go there, check my videos, even you can filter by category, and you can search a specific airdrop that you want to do. If you know the name of the project, search it here. And of course, I have my private Discord if you want to join us. We are almost 400 people already, and we have an application. I did my app here in order to make it easy to apply to airdrops and get everything organized, the progress that you do on all the airdrops, even with multiple wallets. So if you are farming airdrops, this app is going to help you a lot. And if you are using only one wallet, it's going to be super easy and organized to apply. Here you have videos on how my app works. That will be all for ALEO Airdrop, confirm and free for testers. So follow the steps, go to the Discord for more specific help. And this is a big project, 300 million raise. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.